Are you searching for like a nice small little Sony E-mount lens? Well, you can't really go wrong with the 28 to 60 kit lens from Sony. It comes in at a pretty great price, and what's really great about this is it's super light. And what I really like too is when you're traveling, you can kind of fold it up into itself and it becomes like pretty much the smallest lens by far. So the Sony FE 4 to 5.6, 28 to 60 millimeters is an awesome lens. In a pinch, you can use it for vlogging, but what I found it to be the best for is like just running around, grabbing great little content and B-roll, because you get a little bit of zoom. You can still get low enough f-stop to get some background blur. And for a full frame lens, you cannot beat the small, perfect size of this. So you can get it as a package deal with the ZV-E1, which I'm shooting on now, or you can buy it by itself, but you cannot go wrong. It's fun to turn it to with the 28 to 60 Sony FE kit lens.